Okay, quick intro. Thank you all for pointing it to the ballast resistor. Exactly what it was. Roll call coming up shortly. I've driven it backwards and forwards slightly after running it for a couple of minutes. The brake warning lights are still on, but you put your foot on the brake, the pedal feels all right. It'll creep forward, creep back and stop. I haven't driven it anywhere. I'll wait until a mate of mine comes up at the weekend, but I'll get it in at the weekend and have a little recce round underneath, and then decide what I'm going to do with it, etc. if I've got time to sort it out, but we'll go from there. Again, thank you very much. Alright, just a quick roll call. Yeah, first one. Andrew Baird, ballast resistor, thank you. Petrol stinks, yeah, but ignition problems, Rolls-Royce garage. Big Joe, ballast resistor. Richard Whiting, ballast resistor. DH38429, symptoms point to the ballast resistor. Workshop Deluxe, bet the ballast resistor's gone. Yes, you all get full marks, thank you very much. So, with the help from the comment section, a few people have pointed to the ballast resistor, which I think is in there. It looks a bit cracked on the bottom. If I can get the under that pipe, where is it? Won't focus on there, but the bottom of the plastic, whatever, is cracked. So we'll bypass it and see. Oh, well, there you go. I was just feeling around to try and get the, when I said there was a crack in it, I was just feeling around to try and get that bottom wire off, and it's broken completely. So there we go. So we just put a little joiner wire in there as suggested. So magic moments, here we go. There we go. Thank you very much indeed. So that's might take a while for the brake pumps to pump up if they're okay. Glad to see the clock's working. So I'll just put this on quickly as a thank you. So and then I'll check all the rest of it on the ramp, and all the amps have gone up, so that's started charging. I will get it on the ramp and check it out and do another video on that soon. Right, it's just been running for about 30 seconds or a minute. You can hear that sort of tick, tick, tick. I'm pretty sure where it's coming from. I don't think it's brake pumps. We'll see. Right, I'll have a better look soon. Right, it's now been running for about a couple of minutes. Just check the levels again. I put it in gear, crept it forward, crept it back. The brakes do work, but the light's coming on. So, and it's quieting down a bit, so obviously hopefully the oil's circulating round. But yes, I'll get it in the next couple of days. Do a video of the underneath and see what that's like and stuff, and then we'll decide what we're going to do with it. Thank you again for all your help and suggestions.